Hello viewers, welcome back to Chakkani Vantilu. Today's recipe is bread pakodi. Let's get started with the preparation. Bread, besan flour half cup, rice flour quarter cup, onions 2, green chilies 8, coriander leaves, turmeric chili powder half tablespoon, salt as per taste. Remove the edges of the bread. Cut the bread into small pieces.
Chop onions and add to the bowl. Chop green chilies and add. Chop curry leaves and chop coriander and add to the bowl of onions and green chilies.
Take a bowl, add bread pieces, add besan flour, add rice flour, add chopped ingredients, mix well. Place the pan on the stove. Once the oil is hot, put the mixture and start making pakodas. Take out the pakodas, transfer into a bowl. Enjoy these pakodas with some tea. Sit back and enjoy the nature. This is a must-try dish. See you soon with one more tasty recipe.